POV, you're making millions of dollars a month by literally just making Fortnite maps. So copy me. If you guys are looking at my screen here, it is 6 o'clock at night. And if you look at this map's revenue, it has made over $7.2 million in the last 90 days. And everyone who joins the Discord in the link in the description can get their own pre-made map that they can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month. But today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact necessary principles and steps you guys need to follow to where you can literally just copy me and make thousands of dollars a month online making Fortnite maps. Of course, this video is going to be completely raw and unedited. Let's get right into it. All right, guys. So if you guys go onto Google and you search up the Fortnite creator portal, this is essentially Epic Games' ecosystem and platform on how you actually manage the Fortnite games that you're building inside of Fortnite. A lot of you guys have questions like, Davey, how do you make money? Davey, how do you make so much money? And Davey, how do you get paid? This is how. Because if you go to the documentation and the news and the dev community updates, this is where you get the intel that you need to become successful. And a lot of you guys don't even know how to actually get started making maps, which is why I'm going to exactly teach you how to do so right now. And of course, guys, this video will be completely raw and edited. I know I already said that in the intro, but I just like to keep it raw, open, and authentic. But you guys can literally just log in, press the blue button, and you're good to go. Right now, obviously, me and Jinxie made our game. Me and the Shaquille O'Neal family, we just did our game as well. I have a lot more celebrity mainstream endorsements and collaborations coming soon. Obviously, I'm making millions of dollars by bringing you guys millions of dollars by educating you on the concept and the potential of making maps. That is how majority of the income is made. A lot of people will get fixated on the fact, like, most people, right? Not everyone. They'll be like, yo, Davey, why are you doing something that you're not teaching, right? But I am. I'm making games with the biggest people in the world. And that is why today I'm showing you exactly how you can literally just copy me and make millions of dollars a month. What I want you guys to do is go onto the desktop windows, go into Google Chrome, open up a brand new tab, and search this up, okay? Epic Games Launcher. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you how to download the Epic Games Launcher. This is pretty much how you download the platform called Fortnite and UEFN. I know a lot of you guys play Fortnite, and I know a lot of you guys are young boy fans in the comments. You guys are super young. I'm 20, man. I feel like I'm 35. But I understand that a lot of you guys are super young and you don't really know how to grasp the concept of what you're really doing. But essentially, go search up on Google the Epic Games Launcher, and I want you guys to go ahead and press the install Windows button here, you know? I mean, realistically, chat, I'm losing breath here, but we're going to go into UEFN and show you exactly how these games are even making money, okay? Because I don't think you guys understand what I'm doing here. I'm making the biggest business in the entire world. I'm the only person in the entire world motivating millions of people to get started making Fortnite maps. There isn't a single person in the whole world. There will never be a single person because the fucking space is dead. No one cares about the space, but I'm here to motivate you because I see potential. I see a vision, and that needs change. I'm so happy and so thankful that I can motivate you to get started making maps. And a lot of you guys are like, you're just talking, you're just yapping, you don't make millions of dollars, blah, 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 blah. Brother, I am making millions of dollars by making you millions of dollars, by talking about the potential and educating you on the topic of making maps. That is how majority of wealth is made. It's usually through education. You think teachers are getting paid for completely free? They should be getting paid more, but you guys know how the system works. You get paid for your time, not necessarily for the value that you distribute or create for other people. It's about what you believe, what you can achieve. And that is why manifestation is so important. I know I'm getting off the topic of the tracks here, but let me just settle down for a second. Let me tell you guys, okay? Because there's only 62,000 creators making maps. I have inspired half of those people to get started making maps. The collaborations that you guys are about to see, these are the biggest rappers in the world. And I'm collaborating and building video games for them. I'm a billionaire because I'm making billions of dollars in perpetuity in the future, inspiring you guys. You guys, here's the thing that you guys don't understand. I know I'm yapping, okay? But you guys don't understand that your present, past, and your future are all intertwined together. Well, I load into UEFN here. I'll show you guys exactly how to make money online, okay? But you guys don't understand is that your past, present, and future are all intertwined together. Meaning that every action that you take today does impact your future. And the thought of the action that you had before you took the action was the past, the present, and the future at the same time. That means that everything that you want to attract in your life has to happen now. That is why I say I'm making everyone I'm already making millions of dollars because of what I'm doing. The vision that I have. It doesn't matter what people believe. It matters what you believe you can achieve. not what other people think. Most people will never understand what I'm saying. And if you're still listening to this, you actually care. I don't know if I've ever said anything as real as this, guys, but I'm making millions of dollars, okay? And there's rappers that I hit up, the biggest people in the world. They respond, we FaceTime, we call for hours, and they're completely on board with what I'm doing. Why is that? It's because they believe in me as a person, not just because of what I can provide for them. You guys need to have actual value that you're creating for people, but also instinctually know your own self-worth and your own time, because nobody should be doing things for free. Your time, it doesn't matter your skill set. No one should be paying you for nothing. You matter, bro. I promise you, you do. You do, because I know I matter. So why would that not mean that you don't matter as well? I get hundreds of DMs a day. Well, not necessarily. Like 50 to 30, 70 messages a day. People asking for help, right? And this is the guide. This is what I want to do for you guys. I want to help you guys. Like, I'm inspiring millions of people, making millions of dollars for everyone by putting them into the space. Right? And I understand it's a hot topic to be talking about something you're not doing, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it with the biggest people in the world. Did you guys not see the past few videos? Brother, we literally just did a game with Jinxie and Shaquille O'Neal, and I don't want to mention the rappers right now that I have already on board, but the fans that are watching this channel, you guys already know in this Discord, okay? And while we load into UEFN, I'm going to walk you guys down exactly what you need to know, okay? Let's do it. Sorry, guys. I understand that I'm yapping. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for yapping. I'm done. There's DaVinci Resolve. That's me editing the video right now. I'm done. Let's help you guys make money, okay? I'm done talking about myself and how I'm making millions of dollars. Now it is time to educate the young people like yourselves and educate you guys so well, in fact, to where you don't need any help anymore. I mean, obviously, I actually want you guys to suffer because then you guys need me and you guys need to give me your money so then I can help you. That's how business works. You need to be in some struggle or pain. But anyways, let me just act like you know everything, and let me just educate you like you know nothing. Let me help you right now, okay? I'm so thankful that you listened to everything that I was saying. Like, guys, if you actually are still here, comment me in the comments, okay? I actually want to see. Comment me in the comments if you're still listening to this. That means you're actually real. You're a real person. You actually fuck with me as a person, and you see the vision of what I'm doing, okay? I'm making millions of dollars by making you millions of dollars by talking about the money being made making Fortnite maps and making games with the biggest celebrities in the world, getting paid 7 to 6 figures upfront to do so. This is how the business works. But you guys want to make maps yourself because you're ambitious, you're prideful, you have honor, you care for you care for your own cause, and that is so passionate. You guys are going to be making video games for millions of children and impacting millions of people's lives that you're never even going to see. You will never even get a thank you for it. They don't even know the person behind the screen, but you do. And how special is that? That you get to connect with a person through a monitor screen and actually feel the emotions of how he's talking and the sentences that he's saying. Holy glaze, I'm sucking my own dick here. But I understand, guys, come on. I'm speaking the truth here, okay? Like, I love all of you guys. I love everyone on Twitter who hates me sometimes. I love you guys, okay? I don't care about what you believe in, what you do. Like, I know all of you guys will be successful for every single person that's watching this because I'm successful. I am successful in what I'm doing, and there's still so much more to go. I will have 100 million people inside of the space. I know I just yapped the entire video, but it was an educational yap. There's a reason you're still watching right now. It's because I'm entertaining. You care for me as a person, and I care for you, or I wouldn't be wasting my time making this video. We're going to get rich. I'm already rich with what I'm doing, okay? But now it's time for you to be rich. Okay? And I know I didn't educate you for shit here, but I just wanted to discuss and over-explain how I'm making millions of dollars for everyone. Okay? That is what I needed to get my point across. And I love every single one of you guys. I'm so thankful to have you guys in my life every day. I wouldn't even be doing this. I know I don't post consistently. Every video is reposted from 6 months ago. It is now time to make newer content. Okay? It is time to change your lives. No more fucking around. I seriously love you guys. Okay? Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey, Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.